Hey, what's up everybody? So, still on the job today. I hope it'll be done by this afternoon. You can see how much we've cleared out. I mean, tons and tons. I'll show you a before and after photo in the video. So much cleaner, so much cleaner, so much cleaner. So, just not been my week though. So you know the chipper is kind of down and out, at least if you saw my other video. Well, rented a chipper yesterday from a really good company. Love the rental company, but the blades were like, the knives were completely dull, and all of my tools were in my chipper, which this company has and is trying to repair my chipper. So I had to take it back down to them, and they swapped the blades or knives for me. But you know, it just took time out of the day, and never fear, they were very quick to give me compensation for that. So they've done me right, but it's just been frustrating. And on the way back, big 18-wheeler carrying gravel kicked up a piece of gravel, and it hit my windshield of the 4Runner, dead center of the steering wheel and right at eye level. Couldn't have been in a worse place. It's a big old target now from the hit. It's like 1.5 inches in diameter or something like that. It's awful. And then on top of that, here, well, let me show you. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Can you see it? That's, yeah. Fun. So that's going to be a new windshield. I'm hoping insurance will pay for it, but I can't tell if they only pay for repairs or for replacement as well. At free. So then on top of all of that, get a call. Well, actually I talked to the guy at the repair shop for my chipper, and we're not sure yet, but it might be that I need a new motor, a new chipper motor. All while my ATV's in the shop being fixed, and I had to buy new tires for it. It's not been the best month for my business bank account, for sure. But that's how it goes, right? It goes up and down. The hopes are that the following months won't be anywhere near like this, and I'll be able to recoup what I'm having to bleed out right now. But so yeah, currently my ATV is down, but it should be finished today. So dragging, like that would have made dragging all this brush. There's a ditch here. It's not a very big ditch, but there's tons and tons of stubs that we had to cut, and walking across those stubs is really hard. It just twists your ankles and crams your toes into the front of your shoes. Not very comfortable. And all that brush we could have just drug with the ATV, because there's a little land bridge right here, but I don't have the ATV. So that would have been a lot faster, a lot easier. Not real great. I did use the winch to winch some stuff out of the ravine back here. So I have a little video of that. And that is the $80 winch from Amazon. I'll put that in the description. It's actually been pretty handy. It's a portable winch, has a receiver, a ball, a hitch ball mount plate. It's kind of weird, kind of wonky, not the best setup, but it works. And it's only 2,000 pound winch. Not bad, but for 80 bucks, man, it's really good. I like it because it's lightweight. I can carry it in the truck at all times. I can put it on the back, or I can put it on the front. I'm not wearing out my off-roading winch, and currently the 4Runner has another electrical problem. The second alternator, a brand new one I just put in a couple of months ago, is now dead. So I've got to take it back for warranty. Yes, I know how to change alternators and things, but it's a pain on this truck, and I just don't have the time with all the work I've got going on right now. So that little 2,000 pound winch for 80 bucks from Amazon, it's some no-name China one, works like a charm, man. It's really, in my opinion, worth the money. The controller switch is already kind of wallowed out, and you have to kind of push on it, but I can fix that easily enough. I think some decent contact grease in there, it would fix it, but I'll let you guys know how that works. But for 80 bucks, a 2,000 pound portable winch that's 12 volt works well. It works on the back of my four-wheeler as well. You guys have seen me dropping some trees and putting some leverage on those. I did buy recently a rope jack from CMI. Haven't used it yet. Hope to use it here soon. And I'm getting a foot loop from recoil.com, which I love their stuff. If you haven't checked out their Big Boss or their just regular recoil lanyard, give it a go. I was kind of fed up with looking for chainsaw lanyards for climbing till I found them. I don't know that I'll ever change. It's going to take something major for me to change. I love their stuff. I'll do a full review on it. I know I've been promising that for a while. I've just been busy. But now that winter's coming, I'll do some reviews for that stuff. Totally worth it, so check it out. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. If they're an affiliate link, it will say they are. I'm not paid for any of the promotions that I'm giving, as far as like they're not telling me to promote it, and nobody is censoring them. Amazon affiliate links, if you buy through that, then I get a small portion of what you purchase, and that helps me keep the channel going and helps me continue to provide you guys with videos. So I hope you like them. Hope to see you guys in the future, and I bought a new camera for this kind of vlogging stuff, and you'll see that here soon as well. So talk to you guys later, and be safe out there.